In this paper, we present PathSync, a novel form of touchless interaction based on the principle of rhythmic path mimicry. PathSync works by correlating the user's hand movement to a screen-represented pattern to identify interaction. By alternating the shape, phase, direction and speed of a moving target, we can distinguish between dozens of multiple targets in less than 1 second. By requiring hand movements to correlate with the digital pattern, we are able to avoid the Midas touch problem. In Study 1, we investigated human capacity to mimic moving targets of different size, shape and speed. We contribute improvements for how correlation is calculated that are necessary for enabling this form of touchless interaction to optimize the technique. By using a principal components analysis to distribute the variance across the two axes and a bi-level threshold for activation to reduce the load on the user, we are able to enable fast interaction with more than 18 simultaneous targets of the same shape and speed. In Study 2, we compare PathSync to the default Xbox One interaction technique, press to select. In this clip, we show the tutorial developed for PathSync. 39 out of the 40 users in this study were confident that they understood PathSync after completing this tutorial. Study 2 showed that PathSync was a comparable technique to press to select, with similar initial proficiency, error rates, time to complete. User preference was highly positive towards PathSync. PathSync has several other advantages, such as working well with rested gestures and while seated. Because PathSync does not require a cursor, it is better suited for multiple users, as interaction is distal and their input is hidden from the other user. Consequently, for Study 3, we designed a multi-user quiz game which we deployed on 2 public screens for 4 weeks to evaluate the intuitiveness and discoverability of the technique. Over 1,000 people used the quiz in this time period, demonstrating that PathSync is a legitimate alternative to existing techniques, with key advantages for public display and multi-user applications.